I gotta say, um, this review looked at 4 things. It looked at stress, anxiety, hypertension, and immune health, okay? And all of it was positive data. The summary of all the studies that were reviewed, um, positive, helpful in these areas. But it's interesting when we look at, stress because the studies are a little bit bigger, and we've got this whole biometric, um, expanding measurements that are now being done with heart rate variability, which is a measure of stress resiliency, functional MRIs, which are, have only been around for, I don't know, 20, 30, 20, 25 years, where we can really get pictures of the brain and how the brain changes over time. And some of the studies on stress include both like a survey or a standard measure of if the individual feels stress after an intervention of, say, 3 months of doing mantra meditation twice a day for 10 minutes. Um, and you can really see the changes in the brain. And there are changes in the brain after this sort of practice in that sort of time period, which is pretty cool. Uh, so for stress in particular, because you can get that biometric data in addition to the survey data, um, it's very rich data, but it's all showing that we um, calm the physiology of stress when we do these kind of practices. It's huge because our nervous system really receives our lives and determines, it really is the great decider on if if different aspects of our lives are friend or foe. And when we are all wound up, which so many of us are because of our culture, things just seem more like their foes. When maybe they're either neutral or even friends, they feel like a foe.